How did you know? How did you know?
A friend told me. A friend told me.
Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen?
Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is.
What did you say? What did you say?
I said, see you later. I said, see you later.
Are you listening? Are you listening?
Yes, I'm listening. Yes, I'm listening.
Where are my keys? Where are my keys?
They are on the shelf. They are on the shelf.
Can you open the window? Can you open the window?
Yes, I'll open it. Yes, I'll open it.
When will you return? When will you return?
I'll return next week. I'll return next week.
Why is it so noisy? Why is it so noisy?
There's construction nearby. There's construction nearby.
Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, that's clear. Yes, that's clear.
How was your trip? How was your trip?
It was wonderful. It was wonderful.
Do you mind? Do you mind?
No, go ahead. No, go ahead.
What can I do for you? What can I do for you?
I need some information. I need some information.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Yes, I'm sure.
Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM?
It's around the corner. It's around the corner.
Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee. Yes, I like coffee.
Where is the station? Where is the station?
It is over there. It is over there.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Yes, I am hungry.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
Yes, please. Yes, please. Do you have siblings? Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have a sister. Yes, I have a sister.
Can you speak English? Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English. Yes, I can speak English.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My birthday is in May. My birthday is in May.
Why are you here? Why are you here?
I am here to learn. I am here to learn.
Is it raining? Is it raining?
No, it is not raining. No, it is not raining.
What time is it? What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock.
Do you like music? Do you like music?
Yes, I like music. Yes, I like music.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from Canada. I am from Canada.
Is this your book? Is this your book?
Yes, that is my book. Yes, that is my book.
How are you? How are you?
I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you.
Do you play football? Do you play football?
Yes, I like to play football. Yes, I like to play football.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue.
Are you tired? Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired. Yes, I am tired.
When do you work? When do you work?
I work in the mornings. I work in the mornings.
Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive a car. Yes, I can drive a car.
Why do you study German? Why do you study German?
Because I like languages. Because I like languages.
Is this seat free? Is this seat free?
Yes, it is free. Yes, it is free.